Clean the drain pump filter, Pat.
Don't tell me my business, devil woman.
Let's clean the drain pump filter in this Whirpool washing machine. The recommended cleaning interval is occasionally per the instruction manual, or when your wife says the washing machine smells like butt and sends you the instruction manual on cleaning the drain.
My God, what is that smell? Oh.
Let me know in the comments below how you identified it needed cleaning.
Drain this and see what happens. So lefty loosey, so like counterclockwise. Go ahead and drain this all the way.
In the manual, had I read it like my wife instructed me to, it says to drain the area using this black hose. To get into this area, simply press down on the bow and pull out the drawer. Drain this area using said black hose. Rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove it. Place a towel or paper towel under it to catch any residual water. Clean the grime off. The toothbrush works well for this. You can do it under a sink. I am just demoing it here with a cup. Scrub and wipe clean.
Yeah, you can see it's nice and clean.
Reinstall the filter by turning it clockwise. It should be nice and tight.
Alright, you heard the little click, so now you can just push it all the way in. There we go. Well, and wouldn't you know it, as soon as I finished it, I look at this thing right here, and I see that this thing hasn't drained to drain before you open it.
And then last thing, please take a moment and subscribe. It would really help me out. Thanks so much.